welcome the Colonel and one of our biggest donators and one of the nicest young ladies. She's the queen of the Hot Rod Power Tour. Give it up for the one and only Gail.
Gail Childers in the pink Chevelle.
You've been doing it since the inception, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, Gail has been on every single power tour since 1995 when we did the first one from Los Angeles to Norwalk, Ohio. Well, you got to tell the story by accident.
My dad and his buddies got caught in Arizona with moonshine going to start the power tour, so I had to fly out, get them out of jail, and do the power tour.
Unbelievable. It's a lot like how I met my wife. That's great. All right.
Day four of Hot Rod Power Tour. We've lost others out in the crowd. We have all made it to Concord, North Carolina, to ZMaxx Dragway. Time to go see some drag racing. We have made it to Bristol Motor Speedway. Finally, last day of the tour, and man, we are tired.
Pack of Molly Power Pack pistons.
Going once.
4,500 right here, 46.
Going twice.
4,500 going for 46. Right here, 4,600.
Wait, all in the back. 4,600 in the back. All right, 4,600. Here we go. Let's go 4,700.
Awesome.
Do I hear 4,700? 4,700. Otherwise, it's 4,600 to the young man.
That's it.
Yep.
Check it.
4,700. Yes, sir. 4,700. 4,700.
He wants that pedal car. He wants that pedal car. Do we hear 4,800?
Right now we've got
48,
47 over
48.
here to the left of the stage. Do we hear 4,800? Right now I've got 4,700 going once.
47 to 48.
Going twice.
Betsy, it's your last chance.
4,800 in the back. 4,800 in the back. Yes, sir.
Can we make it an even 5 grand?
5,000. 5,000.
It's a Christmas
Come on,
miracle.
put your hands
Did I
together for
tell you
young
this
man.
is the most wonderful time of the year? It really is. Hot Rod Power Tour, making dreams come true.
All right, 5,000. Last call. Going once. 5 grand for a package valued at more than $8,000. Right now we've got a bid of $5,000. All of it, which is going to the Susan G. Komen Foundation to help fight breast cancer. 5,000 going once. Going twice.
Anyone 5,100, your last call.
Sold to this young man.
$5,000.
Come on up on stage. Let's get you up here. Let's meet the proud new owner and the guy who's going home with my sister's phone number. That was impressive. Great.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Congratulations, you made it to the finish line. Just walk on
Finally.
around through.
Thank you. The curve, just straight up.
We got one hang on the side.
Official loan caller plaque. I finally made it.
One of yours when you build it.
All of us. So we made it officially. Day 5. It has ended. Don't seem like it should be over. We did get our plaques. Brandon and his dad got their son. Lucky.
Lucky Cotton and Dee Dee's Beach Shop.
So don't feel like it should be over at all. Feels like we should have started like 2 days ago.
Wait a minute. It's not over. We got one more day.
Oh yeah, we got
day
one more
6.
day that y'all don't know about. So you'll just have to wait for the next video, see where we go for day 6, technically day 7. That saw them too. So day 7, which is day 6 of the Hot Rod Power Tour, we have planned a trip to go somewhere tomorrow. So just stay tuned for the next video and see where we go.
It's Bristol, baby!
I'll tilt the hat back so I can't see behind me.
He's looking that way.
I made 2 of them. One went to our friend, he climbed. And this one's yours.
You want me to hold it?
For your birthday.
Cool. You like, I'll hold it.
Yeah.
I put Cruiser the Coach, I mean, I on it and
still not paid.
That is